morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. Thirsty Thursday, I'm going to call it. Oh, it's very cool here this morning. Actually, it's cold. Not winter, super cold, but yeah, I had to take on another sweatshirt. It's sweatshirt weather. Yes, I love it. As you know, yesterday I took the day off from cooking, but boy, did I stay busy in my office. Fine-tuning some seasoning blends, including my garam masala, which I probably might work on today, actually doing the putting it together, or tomorrow. I haven't decided yet. I still have got a lot on my mind, in my brain, labels and all kinds of fun stuff. It's fun developing a product. Not really. It is. Maybe. I don't know. All right. Tonight, I'm preparing a very simple stir fry. It's a shrimp and broccoli stir fry with a garlic sauce. It's garlic sauce because it's yeah. All right. And I'm going to be serving that over brown rice, one of Robin and I's favorite. Let's get to it. Got the hardware going. It is a wok day. Yes, wok day. There's the pan for the brown rice, because as you know, I bake it using 4150 ready to peel shrimp, which I'll clean later, and broccoli, of course. Gotta have broccoli in a broccoli recipe. I'm adding half a yellow onion or sweet onion, the garlic. It has the sauce is the garlic, of course. The soy sauce, I'm using Kikkoman soy sauce, oyster sauce, and honey. And there'll be a little bit of water added to this. And there's the brown rice. So, should be a fun time meal. I don't remember what I'm cooking tomorrow, but it's going to be something yummy, I'm pretty sure. On this Thirsty Thursday, stay warm, because it's only here in Sutter County, California, it's only supposed to get up to about 77, 78. Bob Harlan's weather reports this morning said 78 is the high today here in Sutter County. I hear there's a heat wave going on back through my neck of the woods, which is Michigan. I don't know. All right, on this Thirsty Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and by the way, keep an eye out for these spice blends that I'm coming out with. And have fun cooking.